Yo, imagine rolling through the wildest terrain on the planet in something that looks like it escaped from a military convoy, but feels like a luxury penthouse on wheels. I'm talking bulletproof vibes, 6 massive driven wheels, and enough road presence to make traffic straight up, move out of your way. This thing isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement. Welcome back to our channel, and today we're diving deep into the absolute beast that is the 2026 GMC 66 Armored Motorhome. A rig built for people who don't do average and definitely don't mess around. From the moment you see this monster, you already know it's built different. The exterior is all about raw power and armored confidence. You've got a reinforced GMC truck-based chassis sitting tall with a full 6.6 drivetrain setup, massive all-terrain tires, and a wide body stance that screams dominance. The armored body panels aren't just for show either. They're engineered for real protection, giving this motorhome a tactical no-nonsense look while still keeping it clean and premium. Heavy-duty steel bumpers, LED light bars, blackout grille, detailing and reinforced side steps make it feel like something designed for extreme overland missions rather than campground chilling. This thing looks ready to roll through deserts, mountains, snowstorms, or zombie apocalypse vibes without breaking a sweat. Step inside, and that rugged military energy flips into full-on luxury mode real quick. The cockpit is pure GMC muscle, mixed with modern tech. You're sitting high, commanding the road, with a digital driver display, a massive touchscreen infotainment system, and premium controls everywhere you look. The steering wheel feels thick and solid. The seats are wrapped in high-grid leather with heating, cooling, and power adjustments, and visibility is insane thanks to the elevated driving position. Everything feels tight, secure, and built too. Last, like GMC, knew this rig would see some serious action. Move back into the living area. And this is where people usually say, no way, this is an armored vehicle. The space is surprisingly open, with smart layout design that makes it feel way bigger than you expect. Plush sofas, high-end finishes, ambient LED lighting, and premium flooring give it more of a luxury condo feel than a survival machine. The materials are top shelf, from stitched leather panels to brushed metal accents. And everything is locked down solid so nothing rattles. When you're off, large windows with armored glass still let in plenty of natural light, keeping the space bright without sacrificing safety. The kitchen area is straight up legit. You're getting high-quality cabinetry, solid countertops, a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, microwave, and tons of storage. This isn't some tiny RV kitchen where you're struggling to make a sandwich. You can actually cook real meals out here, whether you're parked in the mountains or deep in the middle of nowhere. Everything is laid out, smart, and functional. Built for long stays and serious travel, not just weekend trips. Slide further back and you'll find the bedroom area. And yeah, it's cozy in the best way possible. A large bed with premium mattress, overhead storage, side cabinets, and subtle lighting make it feel calm and comfortable after a long drive. The insulation and armored construction do a great job keeping things quiet and temperature controlled, so you can actually relax and crash without feeling like you're inside a truck. It's private, secure, and designed for people who live on the road but don't want to sacrifice comfort. Now, let's talk performance, because this is where the GMC 66 Armored Motorhome really flexes. Under the hood, you're looking at a heavy-duty turbo diesel engine pushing serious torque. Paired with a reinforced automatic transmission built to handle extreme loads, the 6.6 system delivers insane traction, letting you crawl over rocks, mud, sand, and snow like it's nothing. Advanced suspension, locking differentials, and off-road drive modes make this rig surprisingly smooth for its size. Yeah, it's big. Yeah, it's heavy. but it moves with confidence and stability that'll honestly catch you off guard. Despite the weight of the armor and living module, GMC has tuned this beast to stay controlled and planted, whether you're cruising highways or tackling rough terrain. Braking systems are upgraded, steering is responsive for a vehicle this massive, and overall it feels more capable than most regular motorhomes could ever dream of. This thing is built for people who want to go off-grid and stay there without worrying about safety or performance. Now let's get real about pricing. The 2026 GMC 66 Armored Motorhome definitely isn't cheap. But if you're even looking at something like this, you already know that prices are expected to start around the high six figures and can easily push past the $1 million mark. Depending on customization, armor level, interior upgrades, and tech packages. You're not just paying for luxury here, you're paying for security, engineering, and extreme capability all rolled into one wild package. So who is this motorhome actually for? This is for adventurers, high-profile travelers, extreme or anyone who wants the ultimate blend of luxury and protection. It's not about flexing at the RV park, it's about having total freedom, confidence, and comfort no matter where the road takes you. And honestly, that's what makes the 2026 GMC 66 Armored Motorhome so freaking cool. It's bold, it's overbuilt, it's unapologetic, and it doesn't try to fit in. If you're the type who believes bigger is better and safer is smarter, this rig is straight up goals. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a review here on Saint Reviews Hub. Drop a comment and tell me what you think about this armored monster on wheels. And I'll catch you in the next one. Stay safe, stay curious, and keep riding in style.